Hello, we are in the art studio, which is also the bathroom. This is my newest artwork. It does not have a name, but it is obviously Halloween inspired. It's a play on texture. There is gesso, acrylic medium. Yes, I'm kind of messy. Still learning. Yeah, you see a lot of shine in this. A lot of gel medium, a lot of dried paint. This is Buddy Boy. Maybe you've seen my posts about this magnificent cat. He is an athlete. He can jump 5 feet 11 inches vertically. I don't know horizontally. I think he can jump very, very high. He beat the Guinness World Record, and he poops in the toilet, and he meows all day long. So he's my ultimate muse. And so is Halloween, like cute Halloween, not like scary Halloween. Just like cute Halloween from like kindergarten class, you know? So let's check out some of the details, or lack thereof. There's some flowers in the grass. There's a very Russian doll shaped cat, Siamese. There's like a lot of texture on that window there. Some activity in the house. There's, the lights are on. I really love how speckly my door looks. It's really, really sexy. And the path. I painted the path after watching Bob Ross. And I was like, that's lit. And then, yeah, there's my little ghost. It's not varnished yet. It's actually drying still, to be honest. Yeah, I have a very drippy style. I work with it. I like the cracks. I have other styles of things, but this is my kind of drippy, beautiful Halloween dream, Hopefully you guys can make it to my Halloween party in the future.